You know, we're learning more about how the IRS plans to send you money. Last week, the president signed that $2 trillion stimulus package, which includes relief payments to Americans.
WMAR 2 News' Mallory Safaste has the details on what you can expect to receive, when it's coming, and how some people might think of this as an opportunity to steal from you, because if it's a matter to you, it is a matter for Mallory.
The money is expected to show up in your account within a few weeks. For some, it could be upwards of $2,000. For others, they may not receive anything. But everyone is a target of scammers using this announcement as a way to get your bank account information.
Within 3 weeks.
Treasury Secretary Steve Mnuchin on Sunday saying they have a deadline and they plan to deliver.
It will happen quickly because it does no good to the American public if we're delivering this in 3-4 months. They need this now.
So what can you expect to get? It depends on how much you make. The government will use your 2019 tax returns if you've already filed. If not, they'll look back to 2018. Individuals with an adjusted gross income of $75,000 or less will receive $1,200, $2,400 for couples, plus $500 per child. Payments are reduced by $5 for every $100 over the income threshold and completely phases out for those making $99,000 or more. How will you get paid?
We'll have direct deposit into people's accounts. For people where we don't have their direct deposit information, there'll be a web-based application. They can upload it. And for people who don't do that, there'll be checks in the mail. But we're going to try to get as much money into direct deposit as we can. That's the fastest way of getting hardworking Americans their money.
More people filed tax returns electronically, so that means the IRS already has your banking information. For those who don't, the government needs it, and scammers know it.
It's the perfect storm right now because scammers have plausible reasons to be baiting you to actually give up personal information, to give up your bank account information.
There are reports they're using government letterheads when emailing and will try texting or calling.
And simply say to them, you have been pre-approved. You are eligible for the stimulus package. And as we're preparing to send you that eligibility information, we'd like to go ahead and get your bank account information.
Aside from losing money, your information could be used to file fraudulent tax returns or identity theft. The Comptroller of Maryland saying these swindlers have even targeted tax preparers, asking to confirm personal banking information and providing a link for you to fill out so then they can collect. If the IRS doesn't already have your direct deposit information, you'll be able to fill that out on their website. That function should be available in the coming weeks. And if you don't typically file a tax return, you're a senior or a Social Security recipient, you will need to file a simple tax return. And while the deadline to file your 2019 taxes has been pushed back to July 15th, you'll want to file your taxes as soon as possible to get the payment. And if you need more help, you need more time to meet with a tax professional, payments will be available through the end of the year. These payments will not be considered taxable.
All right, Mallory, thank you. And another note from the stimulus package. Listen, if you're out of a job, you are slated to bring in an extra $600 a week on top of the state unemployment benefits for up to 4 months. However, the Maryland Division of Unemployment Insurance is still kind of updating its IT systems to accommodate this new program. So there's no timetable on when the benefits will go out. But once they do, payments will be backdated, so you're not going to miss any. If you have a matter for Mallory, she wants to hear from you, you can email her right now at Mallory@WMAR.com, or you can find her on Facebook and Twitter.